My brother is an incredibly talented musician and he's finally building the garden music studio he's been dreaming of for years. To celebrate, I wanted to design and build him the ultimate centerpiece, a massive custom designed multi-layered wooden artwork. But there's a catch. The design I came up with is bigger than anything I've ever made before, and I need to cut through multiple layers of wood with absolute precision for it to work. To pull this off, I'm putting this brand new ACMER P3 laser cutter to the ultimate test. We're going to see if its powerful 48-watt laser and automatic conveyor system can handle a project which completely shatters the standard size limits. I've got the machine unboxed, but no wood and no idea of how I'm going to make this work yet. Let's get started. Starting with a blank page is always a challenge. I began putting down some Art Deco inspired patterns as I thought they'd go well with the geometric patterns of a piano keyboard and sheet music. I'm currently about halfway through designing the artwork now for the piano piece. I now have to decide what goes on what layer and how the finished artwork's going to look. It's quite a tricky process coming up. Just taking a break from the screen, I popped out to get some supplies for my laser cutter. Just arrived at my local timber merchant to pick up some wood for the laser cutting. This is easily the cheapest way to get wood for laser cutting. They sell it in big sheets and often will cut it to size for you to fit in your car. Okay, so the design is actually finally finished. The next step is to separate it into actual layers and take it into Blender and then do a mock-up just so I can see exactly what it's going to look like before I do any cutting. It is one of the hottest days of the year today. It's absolutely scorching in here. So I've taken all the layers from my artwork into Blender, and you can see here I'm assembling them virtually, and it's really exciting to process this because it's the first time I actually get a sense of what the artwork is going to look like when it's finished. After adding materials to all the layers, you can really get a sense of what the wood is actually going to look and feel like. So here I'm adding a blue background to kind of simulate the room it's going to be in. And I'm trying 3 different colour variations here with different layers being different colours to help me choose which one I like the look of best. So welcome to my little maker space. The ACMER P3 now has its final home. As you can see, it's all set up now, all looking shiny and brand new. This is probably the best it'll ever look. Let's take a quick look at some other features. We've got a solid, totally enclosed lid. And down here, just inside, you can see we've got 2 motors, one on the left and one on the right. ACMER call this the Core XY. And basically the 2-stepper motors work together to give really precise and accurate and quick movements. Inside the laser is the honeycomb bed. That's really handy for cutting. And it's all on drawer. And the drawer actually entirely removes. So you can lift the laser up higher to do larger projects. The software I use to control the laser cutter is called LightBurn, and I've just set up here a very quick project just to show you how the laser cutter works. This ACMER P3 is a diode laser and it has 48 watts of power, which is the most powerful I've ever used. And you can see here in real time how quickly and easily it cuts straight through this 3mm plywood. Laser cutters generate a lot of smoke, and you can see here how the enclosure is pulling all of that smoke away and sending it outside so it doesn't cause any harm. After the smoke's cleared, you can see here what the laser cutter's produced. A perfect little star in just a few seconds, very crisply and neatly cut. Okay, let me introduce you to the next piece of the puzzle. It's the automatic conveyor feeder. This allows you to put extra long pieces of wood into the laser cutter that wouldn't fit normally. I've just loaded a long piece of wood here just to give you an example. You can actually control the wood moving in and out from underneath the laser cutter. Laser cutter's busy, starting to do the cuts now for the first piece. It's very exciting. After all the layers have been cut out, it's really exciting to see the project finally coming together in real life. I do a quick test fit of everything just to make sure it's all working, and I did have to make a few adjustments. I think I ended up recutting the piano just to fit under his sleeve better. Here you can see how it's all coming together and how accurate and crisp all of those lines are across the entire project. The next step is to stain the various layers different colours. I want this piece to have a different contrast through the different layers to help everything pop a bit more and for the artwork to look really nice. So here I'm using a wood stain, which I use a roller to roller onto the artwork, as this gives a really nice even finish. In the end, I actually decided to go with a slightly darker stain than this, just to make the pieces a bit more high contrast. Once all the wood stain has dried, it's time for the final gluing up of all the layers together. This can sometimes be a bit fiddly and a bit messy, and really I should have some newspaper on the kitchen countertop, so don't tell my wife. I start with the lowermost layers and then carefully align them so the resulting piece looks like one piece of artwork. You really get a sense of how accurate and precise this laser cutter is when it's cutting over such a large area. And here's the finished piece. I put it up in my office so I could get a sense of how it would feel in the room. Really happy with this. I love the way all the lines work and the patterns work. I think it's probably some of the most beautiful artwork I've ever made. I really hope my brother enjoys it as much as I've enjoyed making it. Now I need to take the long drive up north to give it to him. Are you ready?
Yeah, it's very exciting to see what this is.
So, I know you've been working on your music studio for a while.
Yeah.
Making some artwork for the wall.
So this means I've got to finish it now, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Are you going to help? Are you going to help? Exciting, isn't it? It's not even my birthday. Awesome. I'm excited. Oh wow. That's absolutely amazing.
So I spent 6 days making it.
Yeah.
Designed from scratch.
I believe it.
Cut out extra large on the laser cutter.
And you've even got my physique.
Yeah.
Right,
Model it on you.
It's amazing. I love it. I love the Art Deco. With the style on it.
Great.
Gosh. And it's all been glued. You've done it in layers and.
Yeah.
It's amazing how cool
Custom
this is.
made.
Custom made artwork.
Good for you.
On the wall room music room. Amazing. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Love it.